Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gauri here with you with my new video blog, which is a tricolor ingredient mask. Before going ahead, let me wish you all happy Janmashtami and happy Independence Day in advance. Last week I was experimenting in my kitchen, innovating some recipes, coming up with a tricolor ingredient. So what I have taken here is, for green I have taken neem, milk for white, and orange I have taken pumpkin. So I would suggest soak neem leaves for around 1 or 2 hours, put it in a blender, make a paste out of it, then add to it boiled pumpkin and blend it like a puree and remove it in a utensil and add to it 1 tablespoon of milk. I've already made my mask, so here is the consistency of the mask. Before applying any mask on the face, I would always try to doing a patch test out of it. So either on your inner side of the wrist or your forearm, inner side of forearm, apply the mask and keep it for around 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't have any burning or tingling, you can go ahead and apply it on your face and neck. So here I'm applying on my hand and I'll show you. So apply the mask. See, since it has a neem in it, neem is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antifungal. So it will help for acne prone skin and oily skin, and it will give you instant clearness on your face. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin C and beta carotene. So what it does is it helps in lightening and brightening, and milk has lactic acid, so it gives you a moisturizing, nourishing effect. With that, hyperpigmentation, if somebody has it, it will help with that also. Anyways, I'm putting a link of my blog, so do go in that, do refer a blog and read it in detail. If you have any feedback or suggestion, please drop me in. So after applying the mask, actually I'm not getting any tingling, so I can go ahead and apply it on my face. So keep it for around 10 minutes, let the mask absorb in your skin, then wash it with a cold water. After washing it off, apply a toner. What I used was, I had boiled my pumpkin, so the water which remained from the boiled pumpkin, I used the same water as my toner. Then I stored it in my refrigerator. We can use it for 2 to 3 days, it's fine. And apply a suitable moisturizer. So do follow my blogs on Skin Revive DXB Instagram page for more tips on the same, and follow my Facebook page as well. Thank you all. Waiting for your comments.